Welcome back. It's Sunday and it's time to do another shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet the face. Oh yeah. And before I get carried away too quickly here, I just wanted to say it is my anniversary, so happy anniversary, babe. I love you. And now I'm gonna do a little pre-shave routine with the Stirling Soap Preshave. I did just get out of the shower not too long ago, so my face is already kind of hydrated, but like I always say, if you prep, you will receive a good shave. I've never said that before. But seriously, if you do prep your face, you will get a better shave than if you just wet the face and carry on. It does help soften up the facial hair. And today, we are going to be using Stirling Duchess. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled this. I would have probably never got this, but Rod sent a sample for bar soap, and I opened it up and smelled it, and I was like, I gotta have that. Oh yeah, I wished you guys could smell this. It's an almond, vanilla, amber, and a little hint of pear. It may not be a real masculine smell. I'm gonna tell you, if you get this, or if you get a sample of it, you'll know what I'm talking about. And man, that's a winner for me. Whew. I do love it. I asked my wife today, what would you like me to smell like? I had a couple different soaps lined up and let her smell each one. And she's like, either this one or this one. I picked this one. It's definitely nice. And you guys did see the unboxing video of this Edwin Jagger. Very nice razor. I did use it once Friday night, and it did give an excellent shave. I did use the a different blade in it, and today I'm going to be using the blade they sent with it, which is a feather. This is the first time using this particular blade in the razor, and it's a brand new blade. So let's see how that works out. See if I can open this dude up without cutting my finger. These have seems like the glue dots on there is a little excessive for me, but they do want to keep it in the package so it's not rubbing up against that wax paper. That could probably dull the blade in shipping if it's bouncing around a lot. I'm going to check the blade alignment real quickly. I haven't heard any blade alignment issues with this, but I always check it. It's never hurts to be safe. The one thing I will tell you about being safe is there is a little bit of blade overhang there, so be mindful of that. And I do have the lather already whipped up in a stainless steel bowl. I'm going to be using the Omega Boar brush. Did you guys have a good weekend? I had planned on going out on the boat this weekend, but as fate would have it, rain approached on Saturday, and so I did not go. When you go out, or when I go out on the boat, usually on the weekends, we've got a lot of people out on the lake, and as soon as the storm starts coming in, or people are watching on their radar on their phones, next thing you know, 500 boats. Whew, they all go to the marina to try to come in, and it just makes for a unpleasant return. So I either try to leave early or I don't go out at all. The best time for us to go out is throughout the week, like on a Wednesday, because there's not that many people out there. But anyway, let's get back to the shave. Here we go. to be honest, I kind of like that other blade a little bit better. I used the, not that one, this one. The last time I used the Wismet Super Iridium blade, and I kind of like that a little better. People say that this feather blade is really sharp, and it is. I would think that if something's super sharp, you're going to have less blade feel on it. But you have to remember that the blade is not just cutting the hair. It is actually scraping across the face. So that could lead to a little bit more blade feel. Has no problems cutting right through that hair. No problems rinsing. That's nice. I do have to be mindful right here and right here with any razor, especially a sharp blade, because those are some of my trouble areas. If I go too fast or apply too much pressure, I'll either get little weepers or gushers. I don't really get gushers very often, but sometimes, you know, slip of the hand. Let's go apply for our second pass. Man, I need to order some more of that bar soap. I've already went through 2 bars. Have you guys tried the Stirling bar soap? I like it. I do. And we are going to go across the grain. You guys have anything new coming in? Any new soaps or razors? I've been thinking about the Will It Shave Wednesdays, and I thought about maybe doing a new series of maybe just picking one razor and then going through and doing a couple different blades in that same razor, and just kind of have an ongoing series of how kind of a blade review, and then that way everything stays the same with the razor not being something, you know, every razor is a little bit different, so that could change the outcome. I've got a lot of different blades, and I've went through doing a bunch of trial and error or testing, and all the different razors that I do have, I've went through and took each blade and ran it through each razor, wrote down on a chart what I felt, how I liked it, and I've even went back and retested some of those blades to see, you know, because sometimes when you start out or you know, you get a new product and you try it, sometimes your likes and feelings change, and your technique as well. I'm going to do a cold water rinse here. Everybody knows that already. But, you know, your preferences change sometimes, and your experience level changes. And along with that, just, you know, the overall shave. And so sometimes you think, I want something aggressive or something, maybe I don't. And so depending on what shave you want, if you already know these things, you can just grab that combo. I'm going to be using the Lancaster black sheep towel. And the ice cube. Oh yeah. I know you guys are worried about me wearing my work shirt out today on my anniversary, but I will not be doing that. I just don't want to get my nice shirt all wet and drippy like this. Still waiting on my Lancaster order. I'm kind of excited about that. It'll be coming in real quickly. And I do have the matching aftershave splash with the glacial additive, which is nothing more than some menthol. Menthol, yeah, I love that. That razor did well. I do like it. It's mild. With the feather blade, it did make it seem a little bit more aggressive. If you wanted to kick it back with a Gillette Silver Blue or the Wismet blade, it would be nice. Excellent shave. I love when I have a nice shave. Just starts the day off or ends the day well. I'm going to have some Star Jelly to top that off. I've really been hooked on this Star Jelly. I have tried the Stirling Balms, and they do work. I like them, but if I had to choose between one, I'm going to go with the Star Jelly because I love it. I love it. Wow, that is a nice shave. I like that razor. You guys have that razor? Comment below. I know a couple of you have already commented in the previous unboxing, but yeah, that's a nice little razor. Not too bad on the price. So, you know, sometimes you get what you pay for and sometimes you don't. And this one, I got what I paid for, so that's nice. I will have a picture right here of everything that I used today, and I do want to thank everyone that stuck with the video. And like I said, if you have any comments or concerns, leave them below. And if you would like, go ahead and share the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. Thanks again.